Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a mini RPG launcher. You will need a drinking straw. Cut that drinking straw in half and wrap it in duct tape. Any color duct tape is fine. If you can find camouflage duct tape, that's even cooler. You will also need a barbecue skewer. Take about an inch, 2 cuts at 1 inch on the barbecue skewer, and that will be your handles at the bottom of the launcher. Color them black or whatever color you choose, and just simply super glue them to the duct taped straw. Take the top of the skewer and super glue it, after you've painted it, to the top of the RPG launcher. That'll be your sight. Now, you will need a box of poppets. You can get these at a grocery store, a fireworks shop. They're packed in a bag of sawdust to keep them from exploding. And of course, you just take them and you just throw them and they explode. Okay? So, to make your grenades for your rocket propelled launcher, take a smaller straw that will fit inside of the other straw, super glue some poppets into the straw, insert, and when you fire your rocket propelled grenade, it explodes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.